What's up, guys? Welcome back to Silver the Hedgehog. There are rumors about Silver being in the next movie. So there's a lot of people making versions of him in the movie form. So I'm not sure who did this one, but it's cool. If he looks like this in the movie, that'd be pretty good. So we're going to try full body of him, landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start with like his eyebrows, right? Because he's got those big spiky eyebrows that come right across and like join the 5 spikes in the middle of his face. So a curved line here, and this flicks all the way back, right? It's like a big, and it goes all the way back to that spike. You might have like another couple of frown lines beside it, and the other side does the same thing. Like his head is 3/4 pose. So this one goes like back this way. So this is like, you know, all the texture and stuff on his frowning forehead, like Shadow or Sonic. So his eyes are in under here, under these check marks, right? So he's got like a big black section here, like a big black spike. And I am just going to color this black. Right, and then the small line, just there. And then this curves into there. And we just get the other eye shape in. This one kind of disappears behind his nose. But we can see a black spike. And then it kind of curves into there, and like his nose is here, right? So his nose is kind of that typical sort of Sonic round nose, like that, and maybe like a nostril just there, and then the white of his eye in there. Right, so he looks like he's in kind of berserk mode now. He's no eyes, but we give him those long, colorful eyes that they have in the movies. Like a long skinny circle, like an ellipse, and then the pupil is long and thin as well. Okay. And then his other eye is like looking over this direction as well. So you gotta like spike it around behind his nose. And then the black sort of pupil in there. Okay, so he's got a confident sort of smile right just underneath his eye here, or he's like looking angry, either way. It's kind of better with him looking angry, actually. And then his face shape comes down under this, and he's got like a big fluffy white pad on his chest, right? So it kind of like gets a bit hairy here. Right, so a bit sort of scratchy and scraggly, sort of, because of that sort of fox-like chest thing that he has here. It's like a little fake beard that's hanging from his chin. Right, so just there, and then his face will keep going around. And of course, the pink section. It's kind of like a different hair color change for the side of his face. So like most of the characters in Sonic, their faces kind of look like this. So the thing about Silver is the 5 spikes on his head. which really make it look different, right? So, and you could do these kind of spiky and hairy, like the movie if you wanted. Or you can do them smooth like the video games. It's up to you. You got options. I'll do it like the movie because I think it looks pretty cool. This bike is kind of shorter because it goes off behind his head. And then he's 3 coming up this way. Kind of a big one up the middle. And we got his ears in between these two. If it's anything like the other movies, he'll have textures and stuff on his head and that. So he seems to have just 2 normal, like Sonic-like spikes coming out from the back of his head then here. And another one just on this side. Okay, so body then, standard, thin sort of anatomy, 2 legs. Like that, sort of like the cartoon sort of style. These go into like big boots. There's kind of the bottoms of them are like here. And I'll do the boots probably last. We get his sort of fists and hands, right? So his shoulder comes out from here. And his other hand, like you can just see the wrist really there. He's got rings on his wrists. Golden ones. With blue energy lines. And then his fist kind of like here, just a clenched knuckle. Kind of thing. And then he has a blue light line on the back of his hand as well. Now I've seen it like on the inside of his hand too, so that's obviously his power on that. Then we can see actually another spike in here and his little sort of tail sticking out from there. Right, his other fist is kind of like side on, so we can see the wrist golden ring here, just like a little sort of box with a curve on the end. And it has the blue light line. And then the fist. So just like goes down this way and it's kind of like curved over. We're looking at it more on the side. Then we can maybe see like the blue light kind of just there, but not much on that side. So his boots are big, like crazy big. So like just coming around the top. It's like they've got the gold first, like his wrists. And then this boot goes this way. Curves around. Up. It's like the general shape of that. There's loads of details and stuff on it, but we'll just get the general shape first. Gold top of that one. And then this boot, you can kind of see the heel of it a bit. The sort of square heel, and then it comes around the front. They just look like, they don't really look like boots, they just look like weird shapes. But the thing that makes boots look like boots is a separation between the fabric around the foot and the sole. Okay, so you want to go like around this for the sole of the boot, and it has a little extra rim. So you can see it's already more boot-like. And then there's this curved line there. And then extra little details on top for this red and gold and black and white section. We do this over here, the sole of the boot. It's got a rim, then a curve, and then a white section, and then a gold and red. Oh, and he has blue lines on this. Did I miss anything? That's the question. I don't think so. Boom, boom. Do, 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 do. Silver. Hope it's helpful. I hope they do him like this in the movie. It'd be pretty good. Hats off to whoever rendered this. Actually, just very good version. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.